Hey everyone, it's your girl New Nazaru, and I'm hoping everybody is having a wonderful day, afternoon, evening, wherever time you are viewing this video. I'm hoping your day is going spectacular. But anyway, I picked up this gel polish from GELLEN from Amazon. I really did love the colors, so I decided to purchase it. I'm not too sure of how much I paid for it. I think I paid $10, but if I'm incorrect, I would definitely put it on the screen. But yeah, I just decided to do a little unboxing for you guys. So yeah, I tried to put the numbers, like I tried to show you guys the numbers on the bottle, but I don't think they came out too clear. So I'm gonna write the number on the screen. So anyway, each of the polishes I did 2 coats, and not only did I do 2 coats, but I also did, I'm sorry for the water running, you guys, I'm washing my hands. So I did 2 coats, and I had cured them for 60 seconds. Now, I will say that although I love the colors and I have used GELLEN products in the past, I don't like the way they cured at all. I really don't. So they cured kind of sticky, and I thought maybe I didn't cure them long enough. So I did additional 60 seconds on one of the polishes I did, and they still was real sticky. So if you do use this, you definitely gonna need some alcohol to, you know, wipe the tackiness off of your nails. Also, I did use their top coat, and even with the top coat that I purchased separately, yeah, well, I had the top coat for a while now, like maybe a month, I think, because I got so many different top coats, so I use whatever one I grab. But I figured I use their top coat since I am using their polish, and even with the top coat, it still gave me that like stickiness. So yeah, so I decided to try it on one of my nails because I'm missing a nail, and it cured with a different top coat. So I used the McCart top coat on top of there. So that's the only complaint I had. These colors are so beautiful, and my daughter wants her nails done, so I'm definitely gonna use the, I think it was the one she liked was pink or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so like I said, I'm only going to show you guys one coat, but I do 2 coats on each color, and I do, like I said, cure for 60 seconds. So again, these colors are beautiful. I purchased them from Amazon, and they wasn't expensive at all. I also decided to go back on Amazon, order another set of colors from them because I think they're so pretty. Though, like I said, my only complaint is the drying is sticky. I got like that tackiness to it. So you're fine though, as long as you use alcohol and use a top coat, because even with wiping off the tackiness, they kind of dull the color. But once I use the top coat, of course top coat brings it back to life. So yeah, that's the only thing. But I do like GELLEN's products. I have so much stuff in my room from GELLEN because they're pretty and they're inexpensive. So yeah. And my daughter and I were just talking about the similarity in the colors. So I have 2 greens in this, and I think 2 pinks. I'm sorry, I don't have it in front of me, but 2 greens and 2 pinks. And with that, the greens are kind of similar. I think one is just a slight darker than the other, and same with the pink. It's just a slight darker from the other. So pretty much I wish they would have added different, like a different color to those, so I don't have two pretty much of the same colors. Because if you purchase this polish kit that I purchased, you would see the similarities in the two colors. But if I wish like they did have like added two different colors to this. But I'm just saying the price wasn't bad, so I really can't complain. So yeah, so I just wanted to come on and do this quick unboxing. And yeah, so if you haven't, subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and, follow along, leave me a comment. If you have anything that you're using from them that you would like for me to try, just let me know, and I definitely will. So, because I really am a junkie when it comes to buying, nail products. I love nail products. I like being able to have someone come to get their nails done and I have exactly what they want. So, but yeah. All right, you guys, you can watch the rest of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.